Hello kids, today I will explain you lesson number 5, living and non-living things. As you know, living things are different from non-living things in many ways. Living things move, living things grow, living things eat, living things breathe, living things feel changes around them, living things produce young ones, living things grow old and die. Now we will discuss living things move. As you know, animals move from place to place in search of food and shelter. Most animals have legs to move, even humans also have legs to move. A fish uses its fins and tail to move in water. Birds use wings to fly and legs to walk. Snakes use their bodies to move. Now, see, plants are living things but they do not move. They make their own food, so they do not move in search of food. However, some of plants do move. The bird of sunflower turns towards the sun. The leaves of touch me not plant move when touched. But non-living things do not move. Now we will discuss living things grow. When you were born, you were a small baby. Now you are a young child. In few years, you will be turned into an adult. Likewise, a seed grows into a small plant. The plant may grow to become a tree. All plants and animals grow and change. Living things do not grow. Now we will discuss living things need food. Living things need energy to grow, move and keep their bodies fit and healthy. They get energy from food. Plants make food for themselves. Animals have to depend on plants for their food, whereas non-living things like your teddy bear and dolls, they do not need food to live. Living things breathe. Pinch your nose to stop your breath. You will not able to hold your breath for a long time. Means we need air to breathe. We have a special organ called nose to breathe. But fish breathe through gills. Grasshopper and cockroaches have air holes to breathe, whereas plants breathe through small openings in their leaves called stomata. Living things feel changes around them. See, we are having the 5 sense organs, that is skin, nose, eyes, ears and tongues, to feel the changes around us. When we feel cold, we put sweater, whereas when a dog is attracted by the smell of the food, plants do not have sense organs, but they feel changes around them. Non-living things cannot feel. Your toys will not feel cold even if you place them in on ice cube. Living things produce young ones. All living things produce young ones. The process of producing young one is called reproduction. All animals give birth to young ones or lay eggs. Animals like monkey, humans, cows, goats give birth to young ones. Animals like birds, crocodiles, alligators, snakes, fishes, insects lay eggs. Whereas most plants reproduce through seeds. When seeds falls on the ground, they grow into a baby plant. In some plants, the stems, roots, leaves can also produce the leaves growing from an onion. All living things grow and die. All living things die when they become old. When a living thing dies, it cannot move, grow, eat, breathe, feel changes or produce young ones. It is no longer alive. Whereas non-living things, they do not grow and they never die. Plants, the difference between the plants and animals. Though the plants and animals both are living things, but there is a difference between them. Plants do not move, whereas animals can move from place to place. Plants prepare their own food, whereas animals depend on plants for their food. Plants do not have sense organs, whereas animals have sense organs.